Morning, friends. Today is part 6 of 1992. Heads up, it's sort of a lengthy one. I started putting it together last night thinking that maybe I should divide it, but after I began, I decided that I couldn't cut it up. So you may have to take a couple of days to get through it. Here's the backstory on this. An the adventures that you'll watch here in a few minutes, it started to rain and got cold. So we had kind of an unseasonal cold front move into Jordan, and we hung around the trailer house for about a day and a half, and then we decided to head out to the Murnion Ranch. What was going to be just an overnight stay ended up being a several-day excursion. From the video you'll see why we stayed, because we had the best adventure ever on the plains of eastern Montana. The family that we went to stay with are pretty near and dear to our heart. As a matter of fact, if you've watched our videos over the past several summers, you will recognize Ryan as being one of the younger farmers that we cut for in the Jordan area. Ryan is also the son of Pawnee and Charley Murnion, who are the people that we went and stayed with in this next adventure. I didn't cut much out because I know that the family will appreciate all of the video that I have. A little bit of a into the future story is that 4 years after this video was taken, Charley was killed in a plane crash on the 5th of December 1996 and left his very young family. So any remembrances of Charley, his voice, his movements, his actions, his little quips, his character, everything that Charley was is so much appreciated by everybody who knows him through these videos. So I just didn't have the heart to take anything out. It's long, but I hope you enjoy it.
Get to grabbing them teeth, Jim.
Are we ready? Okay, why don't you sit over here, Mom? Just let me check that again. It won't hurt much anyway. Shall we grab hold of it and see how we can get on there? Okay. Get squared around here.
Do the whole roll of VCR tape, taping one tooth pulling.
Wow!
That's all there is to it. You done her.
Did you feel that?
A little bit. Oh, that's a sharp devil.
You're out of the hand, Rich. The wrist down.
Let's see. Hey, pretty good deal, huh? Shall we put it in a glass?
Jamie's ain't near that loose.
You tell Jim thank you.
Ryan's got one that's looser than that one, I think. Tell Ryan to come up and get his tooth pulled, Rich.
Come here. Boy, you.
Watch his tooth pull on TV. You watch yours on TV too?
Yeah. Are you gonna take a shot of whiskey like your brother did?
I doubt it. I wouldn't.
Well, shall we see if you want to do it? I'm not gonna pull it. I'm gonna just
oh yeah.
Pull her right out.
You think we should
get her out of there?
You want to do it right now?
Yeah,
okay.
Get her out of there. He's ready.
Yeah.
Oh, they're all brothers.
Yeah. They're here.
Pliers?
There's no Ryan blood on there.
Okay, I'll put her on here.
Yeah, let's see here.
Hey, don't get in my way there, Jim Bob.
First we gotta get hold of that thing. I'm having a little trouble here.
Make
Well,
faces
it's
like her teeth are
Get a little closer to me.
chance of rain tomorrow.
Tilt your head down. We gotta see if we can get on that sucker. My gosh, we done her.
Oh, I don't think it's
It's a two-tooth day.
Yeah.
How's he going home? Well,
Bus.
Probably the buzz.
that's the cheapest way, I bet.
Yeah.
And the most convenient.
It is?
Tracy?
Well, yeah.
I mean, you can't go around by Walla Walla, Washington to get back to Nebraska or something.
I'd love to go to Walla Walla. I got some relatives there.
Oh, jeez. He's the only guy I know that had a relative or friend in every stop we had this summer, but nobody's come seen him.
I never called nobody.
Oh,
Except for Glenn. And he works.
now wait a
7
minute.
days a
You
week.
called the feedlot man.
Yes.
You called the supermarket man.
Yes.
That's already 2.
That's 2.
Shall I keep going?
But when they work 7 days a week from 3 in the morning.
Well, I know, I said it, but leave.
That's what you guys do?
We didn't do nothing. My gosh, here's one just Jenna's size.
That's what I did.
That's me.
Stand well away, mate.
What's Pawnee doing over there?
She's plunging her sink.
And she's putting it on tape.
I thought you guys were going to take that gooseneck off there and unplug it.
I am not a plumber.
He loves them.
Just like you.
And he's good at them.
Jim don't do them.
What's wrong with your sink?
Yeah, listen up there. Well, if Larry's coming up, he can do it.
Good old Larry. Well,
Yeah,
just having
hi.
fixing the air conditioner and for 100 about 2 days
20.
ago.
23rd of August. Charles got his Sub-Zero weather outfit on.
You got no more hair than I got, Mac. You got to have some bonnet.
Gotta have some what?
Got to have a bonnet to go with
A
it.
bonnet.
What is the temperature? I have to get up in my little chair. 44.
44 degrees, huh?
Yes, it's cold. Good juice. Mine are bigger. They're not. 4 of them. Yeah, they're good.
Hey, Rich, that's all yours and you don't have to share with nobody.
Oh, that's no thing to say. What is it?
It's his birthday.
6-pack of juice.
6-pack of juice in a box.
We'll want to drain a little off before he goes to bed, I guess.
You don't have to eat that.
I'm sure glad I run this thing.
Yeah.
What is that?
Nobody gets any pictures of me.
Jared's gonna open it.
Like this.
Soon I'll get these.
What a damn deal.
Want me to help you?
It helps.
Yeah, that'll be good. What do you got? More stuff?
Yeah, it's in this one.
Where'd you get all that stuff?
And that's snack.
I don't know. Jeez, maybe I should help the birthday.
Jared, there's one in there for you from us, too.
Oh, this. Who owns this one?
We got
That's for
this
your
like
birthday.
Lindsay and Tracy. On Richard's birthday.
Teenage Ninja Turtles. Do you see them? Cowabunga doing old Richard and Bernie. With all of them things.
Oh yeah!
You ever seen one
Man,
of them?
Jared can play with that.
That's pretty neat.
Jared, do you want to play that with me?
Your dad would like that.
I'll even play with that.
Say a
Get your dad jackknife this
You're getting lost. Jared, do you want?
What is it, a cowboy
Are you
shirt,
to
Rich?
open this?
Pretty neat, Rich.
You could ride that horseshoe and look like
Get a
John.
Go to
Wayne.
school
Here, I
with
got the
that.
You got your knife? Ride
That's
old horseshoe and look
pretty
like
nifty.
John Wayne with that on.
You like that?
Coming down over the flats just to Ballarat.
Take it to Jim. He's got a nice little cup of plastic.
Oh, he's four-wheeler.
I got it, Jared.
There.
He got a new horse, Richard did. He called him Horseshoe.
Horseshoe.
So he named him.
You got your own horse, do you?
I'm playing it.
Does he ever buck you
Mark,
off?
you guys did that coffee pretty good.
Well, that's
Wait a minute, Ryan.
well, I had a horse. That's all I ever done is buck me off.
What in the world?
See, one person gets one pat on, you get the other, and you throw it in the air, and you gotta catch it with that other pat. You know, the other person catches it.
What a deal. I could have played baseball. Something like that. Not
that bad, huh?
It's not that bad.
And if you lose that ball, guess what kind of ball you can use?
This kind of ball.
A tennis ball, I guess.
Another tennis ball. Who's that? I don't even know what tennis is. But, it's down there lambing last spring and it got kind of muddy and you couldn't hardly catch a sheep, you know. You'd hook them and they slide you all over the crowd and you'd about go down. And Nathan Saylor said we need to get something like Velcro with a big old square patch on the end of the hook and we could just go flat. Catch them on the back and reel them in.
And you don't have a coat on. Hey, a deer! Come on, watch. Watch me when the break's going down the coolie.
Jamie, get in here and get a coat on.
I don't have to get a coat.
It's not even 50 degrees outside now. You get in and get a coat on.
Not even 50 degrees.
No,
That ain't too hot.
that's not hot at all.
It ain't too cold.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
Not as cold as yesterday.
Come on and get your coat on.
No,
Yeah.
I won't get cold.
What do you figure it costs to buy a decent pickup? They're rubber.
Poor Pawnee cooking again.
Get a coat on, Rich.
Get your coat on too, Rich. Did you get your coat?
I'm not going to drop this.
Well, then you come back and get your coat on. It's cold.
That's why.
Get down here and get on this. Over here and we'll get on this sucker. Whip and spur.
Drop. Right. Here. I'll let you hold the reins by yourself. Okay. You want to? Second now. I'll try not to.
We just got these little kids riding. Think about that. Cowboys and Indians, huh?
Rich, you gotta get that out of here.
Yeah, take the bike up to the house. We'll get a coat on that.
I will. That good rain. Yeah, I like these rings, Dad.
Huh?
I like these rings. Yeah. Look at our big stuff.
fish. Already freezing.
Watch this. This is fun. I can't.
Bitch, you take that bike out of here.
Then somebody will give us your mom. Won't they, Dad? Hey, you say hi to Mom. Hi, Mom.
Hi, James. You having fun?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
How about you, Gertrude?
Yes.
You like this? Kind of fun, huh?
I take my bike with me.
Charlie Brown, he's
Taking
going to
that
the
for
camera.
hours?
He's just too old. Too old, ain't he?
Jenna, that saddle's just right for you.
Yeah, that's my size of saddle. Mommy, look at the saddle I got.
You want me to help you get that out?
What's Nicole trying to do?
Oh, she's trying to saddle that little horse there.
Is that the one she's trying to break?
Yeah, she rode him a couple times.
Has she?
You got to go for a couple days and didn't ride him, and then they go goofy magoo on you, see. We better cut his mane off a little. He's got a couple bad knots in here. You get the spurring too high, you'll get caught up in it and then buck off.
He used to have short hair about that size.
What?
And just grew back.
Freeze? How come we're freezing?
Yeah, because it's cold. On 80 even cold. He is a whip.
Too old, Charlie.
You could pull your ring. Should we go for another spin? Why are you braiding his hair? You don't got over on braiding. You know what? One lady, she has a whole bunch of horses. She braids her hair. Not this much or tail. Come on, tails, let's run. Right? Do that. You won't even run. If you were to run the bus, whoa!
Well, we got his hair all fixed up good there.
Hey, Jen, aren't you going to run the reins?
You want to run the reins? You want to hold on to these yourself?
Shit, no, I think.
Sure, you can run very fast.
You better watch it yourself. He'll have you piled up. You'll know why you're in trouble.
I should get my sign on this horse.
Nicole's good with that horse.
I know she's getting it.
Lion. Is this your
She's
saddle?
saddle These ones, that you can just walk them in there and they'll just sit in there. You
Jen's
don't
dad.
have to hold on the reins, they'll just...
Up by so he can see her. Where did he?
That used to be Watch this out, Pop Willie. I will. Jamie. I used to ride like that, but now I know how to ride. Stupid. That's why you're supposed to get your bikes out. Hey, get out of the way, Rich. Oh, look, this time. Jared will be so bad.
I don't think you got the deal tied about right, Em.
There you go, Jane.
This here's about old Charlie Brown will do.
What, sit around?
I don't think she could make him go. You want to hold the line?
Jenna, you want to hold them?
You want to do her, here's
That's-
how we start them out.
That doesn't surprise me. She's game for doing about anything.
Yeah, I'll give her a knot. That's what you got to do. That's how everybody has to have a knot when they first start out around here. You don't have to go around picking the lines up all the time.
After I'm going to use the horse bit. Huh? I'm using the horse and then I'll put your
You understand how to do it, Jenna?
Okay.
If you want to make him turn, just pull like this on this side.
No, they just go like this.
I know, using a knot.
Like that. Come on there, Charlie Brown. Bloody old shit. Good, see?
There you go, Jen.
Kick your feet, man. Get out of here now. Get it going. Let's go. Come on.
Go on, Charlie Brown.
Go
on.
Walk around a little bit. Come on.
So old he won't even want to move. Where's Jen at?
Look, he just stands there.
Yeah, that's just like his long
Was that hype up Willie?
What?
Was that hype up Willie? I was ready for Robbie.
You don't want to.
Thanks.
Hey! You leave my scarf alone.
No, it's mine.
Is it yours?
It's mine.
You gonna go out on the prairie, James?
I would.
I know you would.
Look. Watch me. Watch.
How you doing?
Watch me. Watch me, I'm this close. Watch.
Can you make him turn, James?
Watch, I can do this. Hey. Stop him. I want to have to be back like this. Hey.
There, you got
We showed you. Then tap him a little bit.
There you go.
Tap him a little bit. Kick him a little bit.
Robert! You want a boost?
Robert! I don't think you better ride here.
Okay.
Sometimes the bucks people off and you love to throw some arms.
Rich, get that bike out of here. You're going to get one of these kids bucked off. Come on.
Giddy up, Charlie Brown.
I didn't get up Willie this far. Rich, get that bike out of here.
Good job, James.
Yeah. I don't need I can ride this one?
Make him stop. Good.
Oh. How's it going?
come get you?
Yeah.
Okay. Get scared?
No, come take this horse. You want those heifers in, this horse cannot go.
Hold up, Go through there.
I thought I didn't have to get off of the hole.
Oh yeah, they'll get them easy now. She's just leaving this one.
Stand over here.
Okay.
Not that bad, huh?
Roger, what's your problem? No.
Come on. Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
You're a pretty good rider, Jenna.
Hold still.
I was scared for you for a minute.
You need some help, Amber?
Yeah.
What are you doing, Amber?
What?
What are you doing?
What?
I think my stirrups are a little long from.
Gonna ride him around, Jamie? Yeah. Okay, hold still.
Mm-hmm.
Could have stayed on.
Where are we gonna ride it? On the brakes!
I didn't think you'd give up so quick, Jamie.
I just know he can't get reorganized here.
Look up. Hey, Jared.
Teach.
Smile.
We got no one
Smile.
to teach. It was a freebie from the ambulance service.
Jared, hands down. You're on candid camera.
Did that
Act like a real people.
Put your hands
all day. I went half a day.
What do you think, Rich? Had a pretty nice cake.
Combine afternoon.
Dinosaurs.
Are you smiling?
What do you think of it? Palm trees.
What
do you think of it, Rich?
I hate
Learning nothing a day to do.
Hey, Ryan, where are you?
Yeah.
Amber,
Look, guys,
where are
look
you?
at it.
Jared.
Take forever to learn.
Well, I mean, if you're
want somebody
good.
Stop looking at me, Candy. Oh.
No,
You have to sing happy
Hey,
birthday
lady.
now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Richard. Happy birthday to you. Whoa, whoa. All three girlfriends you have, Rich? Who are they? Richard. Girlfriends.
What do you think? These guys went horsey back riding.
big roundup.
Yeah, they rounded up some cows.
And she just.
I say Mark wanted pictures of your road, so maybe we ought to take a picture of
Bunch
your
Mark
road.
here that Bum Wonder Boy.
Yeah.
Is he in or?
Yeah, I think he's back there.
Is he in here back? Yeah, I guess he
Yeah, he's sitting down.
I think he likes beating around down here.
He seemed to enjoy it.
It don't take very long for that to get old for me, that combining every day. Yeah, these things are going to be killed in any second. I just can't believe you drive around anywhere off the pavement.
Yeah.
You'll never get used to this country, I don't think.
This is their spring developed.
Going too fond for looks. Bambi and his brother.
You're all the insects singing.
There's a couple more deer around the corner here.
3, 4. Oh yeah.
Great hordes and multitudes.
Wow, look at them go.
Great hordes and multitudes.
Where the deer and the antelope play, right?
Yeah.
Be there. There aren't very many of those to take a picture of out here.
That's going to be so dang
Sure.
You'll have to walk back around, walk up some of these other coolies. Some of these little coolies right here in the end, there's one of them was where I... Well, I don't know.
On the hunt for the buffalo head.
This is the bone I found, Tracy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, Gertie. So guess what? We gotta go down. We'll walk this trip here. Well, guys. Don't follow Charley.
Big round rock.
Bring your spoon. We got a fun.
Is that fun, Jan?
There weren't any damn Indians up here.
Wait for it, yeah?
What makes you think there weren't Indians?
They
They knew better to be in this part of the country.
I can put down. No. Are you sure you might fall?
Here, Gertrude. They're hauling away the petrified rock. Don't fall, guys.
What the hell? Amber! Have you got the Mad Irishman on film yet?
Yeah.
Oh, got stuff in my eyes.
Dirt in your eyes.
Boy, it's uphill, ain't it? Living out here in the country. It's tough, ain't it? Wow.
Mom is filming, yeah.
You gonna give it a smile? Little reading too? Deep reading? You got the reading anyone you. Okay, that paint is gonna be
Wet.
What?
what do you do? Load them up?
Gertrude,
Yep.
you're going to have to get down
Look
so they
out.
can put them in there.
Look out. Tight some knots, huh?
Get over there, Martin. Get them up there.
Dang, Nicole, you're a heavy hand. They weigh about 300 pounds.
Good job, Nicole.
Heck of a hand. Get off the paint now, saphead. We just got done telling everybody. Everybody's on that side.
I get right here. I get on the roof.
Did you have to run him down, or
No, he just laid down.
didn't run him very far?
Oh, yeah.
55 miles.
Yeah. No. About where those other sheep were, he didn't run. There,
Is his hand all wet there? Yeah, it is. He might not have been breathing. Doesn't seem to be very wet there.
Gertrude.
See those two big teeth? Those are his adult teeth, and these here on the side are the baby teeth.
Yeah.
So he's 1 year old because he's got one big teeth on each side. Next year he'll have two big teeth on each side. He'll have 4 teeth in front. That means he's yearling. They call that yearling.
God, Jenny, you better get down here. Hey.
Okay.
On there, Sal. Get up. Get up. Yeah, how big that sheep is. That's pretty big down there.
Get out of here. Look, look, he's
300 dollars. This one that I just brought home.
Get in.
Look at that strong.
It sure was pretty before last night, but it sure got her last night. First freeze of the season.
I can't get this door. I always wanted to do that, so I did it.
Carrot.
Jared, show him.
I got watermelon.
There's Amber's watermelon.
Well, what happened to the one you had? No, this is the knife I bought from Joe's up last summer.
Everybody ought to have a dog. There's people going in from down here close.
I will, since they kiss the player out.
Jared!
Like Bennett
How this could have stayed like this for 70 years or so.
Well, I don't know how long
There's
ago he
broken
lived here.
plates or something up here.
Out loud.
Get in
Look
there.
in there.
Look
Took a
down.
little imagination to go live in here, huh?
Good grief.
Get your coal
I
right
can't
there.
get down.
Oh yeah, that's coal.
That's ridiculous.
I didn't know that. Well, I got different.
Suppose I'd have to get used to it. Be awful.
Jim pulled your shoes off and kept you there.
The way she talks, she got it that rough now.
There would have been. An old coyote Dan that started that and he finished his up. No idea what the deal was.
Anyway, that's what Bill Dutton told me. He had the wife and he took her shoes away so she couldn't raise them. But
He had started off on him a time or two, it seemed like, and he caught her and drug her back home. And how far are we from anything?
Here's some food.
Same distance that we've always been from somewhere.
Tracy, he's cameraing you.
These Jordan kids.
Are you cameraing them, Jim?
I'm Cameron.
Mama!
Look how you're wild, idiot.
Mom, cool.
Get out of that. What?
A tunnel. Should have never unloaded them here. Around this chunky country trop flat.
Whoa. You're the one that made it?
Yeah, I went down it. It's kind of hard to get up this darn stuff, but don't.
No!
Slide down now. Right here?
Have to just hurry up and there.
You don't want to slide?
We can't get no traction.
I don't blame you. I wouldn't want to slide.
Ah!
Two seats. You try to come back this way.
Oh, it's my fault. You bet.
I ain't catching you.
Yeah.
Don't be throwing dirt now.
Okay. How to get back up? Yo, I found a way, guys. I found a way to get back up. Look what I found.
She just come a scoot off that bank and then she gave it up.
Ah! Fudge. Fudge.
Well, are we about crawling around this?
Ah.
What do you think?
I
think we've about crawled around it.
Nope. Ow!
This enthusiasm is waning.
Bitch, put that thing down before you kill somebody.
If we had a tractor and a loader, we get rid of a whole bunch of them right quick. Tractor and loader, you could get rid of a bunch. Just bury them up. He's going mountain climbing, this guy.
Hard.
Huh?
I'm gonna take it off.
Oh, hell with it.
I'll show you guys something. Mom, give me a push.
Give you a push. Okay.
Grab on! Grab on to the ground! Whoa! Whoa! Wait, I went fast, dude!
I'm going first.
Hi, Jenna.
Can't see you guys. Jamie and Jenna.
That's part of an old stove that lives off
Hey, knock it off! I did that!
Part of the bottle.
Hey, who wants to come already? Give me a dose!
Oh my gosh.
You should have seen her back up. She saw me in here and ran out.
James Taylor, 1947.
There's riding on the front. Why is easier? All the hangers.
There's somebody made him April 15, 1932. There's Pawnee.
Archie McDonald.
Connie who?
Connie.
Speckles? Connie. Hey, a nest.
Connie.
A nest.
No, that's Chuck and Bonnie.
A nest, you guys.
The Riches. Chuck, see, here's Chuck Rich over here on the wall.
I found a penny, Daddy.
Mom.
I found this, Jamie.
Charley says.
Why? Go away and quit bugging me. Look with your own eyes.
Oh, this would have been a little bit better than that other one.
Yeah. There's somebody here from someplace in France.
How do you suppose they...
Very Surrey France.
How do you suppose they... Look at there, Jenna, right next to you. What's there? What is that?
Nest.
Yeah.
Did you look in that other
No,
hole?
I haven't been over there yet.
There's scary in here.
Why?
It's scary.
There's lighting in here.
Scary. Somebody. Tell it.
Look at there.
Yeah. Well, if we can get Tracy to trot down the hill, then we'll have a shot of it from down below.
Hey, come on this way. Look at that. This is glass. And look what I found, Daddy. Look what I found.
What do you got? Well, don't fall off the cliff. Pretty.
Yeah, Daddy, I found something. Look at this.
You do a bunch of filming here, dear.
Look at this
Haven't you already?
No, I haven't filmed much.
Dad, look at this. Dad.
He wants you to go down the hill and take a picture back this way.
Well, I suppose.
It's not an owl. This wall and this and up there. Like the black spot.
What do you do in this building?
This is the coffee shack.
Coffee shack, huh?
See, look at the see the knife sticking through the door?
Oh yeah.
We got the knife sticking through the door just in case you guys we can see Skinner. No, that's not a spoil. Get the pigs.
Don't. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.